Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
If you feel comfortable talking to a camera, please do, because people love to connect with people. This is not the only solution, but it's easier to sell products and to generate audiences if you are a human being willing to talk about your brand. Period. The social media world is a social media world. There's a reason why it's called social. Right? People want to see more of humans, more of you. Become a personal brand if possible. Become passionate and talk about your product. If you do not have a passion about your product, I recommend you start looking at products that you're passionate about. Because it's going to help you get better at marketing. How difficult it is to sell something that you don't believe in. Do you guys see my passion? It's because I really believe in what I talk about. And I know it can change the lives of people and make them better. That allows me to be here with you guys for many hours and talk about it non-stop. Because I'm passionate about it. It makes it better. It also makes it that much and more enjoyable. So one thing I would recommend you in your product making formula, include as one of the bullet points, I must love this product. Not something like, oh, it's a great opportunity. There's not enough demand, and there's a lot of demand and not enough supply. That cannot be your main judging factor. So you have to have something that you're passionate about, because that opens up the door for you to get creative and sit down and write messages and sequences and do ads and get inspired and accumulate testimonials and success stories and spread the word about your product. It makes it that much better. You know what I think is really cool? I talked about this. I did a seminar a couple of days ago. This is a very logical way of thinking. Okay? We have this crazy mind, which is very different to a trash can, right? On the trash can, as you put napkins and dirty things and trash, it eventually gets full. So much so that you have to actually replace it and throw it out. You're done with that trash bag. Our mind never gets full of information. Never. It's a never-ending bucket of information. You can just keep on pouring it in there, right? Do you know what makes the world go round? Information. You know what makes the society expand? Humanity to evolve? Information. So why don't we get more obsessed about accumulating information? This is why this is so cool. You guys here. That's why I've been so obsessed about accumulating information. What has brought me here? Information. Right? Now, if you don't have information, let's say that you get information and you don't put the energy behind it, well, then it's a waste of your energies also, right? It's a combination of those elements, but information, knowledge is at the top of all of it. Coming to Mastermind, continuing on the next Scale for Retail event, doing digital programs, doing courses, training, learning, listening to podcasts, you gotta understand, the more that you put towards that, the more you can expand. It's a simple formula. Learn more every day, study your competitors more, understand what they're doing, understand how the platforms work, and you get to expand. It's actually that magical. Does that make sense? Your obsession has to be to accumulate information, and then to get that information implemented. It's not always going to work, but guess what? When you put something into action, it doesn't work, you learn something. You learn, it didn't work. So now you can put it aside and test out the next thing, and it's actually something that gets you in the right direction.